Create and assign configuration profiles. Configuration profiles allow fleet administrators to manage various device settings, such as fleet sync interval, route compliance, and driver permissions. By creating and assigning configuration profiles to vehicle groups, fleet administrators can ensure the appropriate settings are applied to each group of vehicles, simplifying the fleet management process. In this video, we will guide you through creating configuration profiles and assigning them to vehicle groups so you can optimize your fleet management. Let's begin. Creating configuration profiles. To create a new configuration profile, select Configuration Profiles in the Configure Fleet Settings menu on the left. The Configuration Profiles screen loads. Saved configuration profiles will be listed here. Click the Create Configuration Profile button at the top right of the screen. The new Configuration Profile dialog box loads. Enter a name in the Configuration Profile name field. Trimble recommends using a descriptive name to make it easier for other Account Manager users to select the correct profile. Click the Save and Continue button. These options allow you to enable, disable, or change settings that affect compliance and user experience for drivers or vehicles assigned to this profile. Click the blue question mark icon next to a setting to learn about what it does. The Fleet Sync Interval field controls how often Copilot checks for and applies new updates to fleet settings. Enter the number of hours at which updates are scheduled to be applied. The Compliance setting controls how far a driver can deviate from their planned route before they are considered out of route. Enter a value in miles in the out of route threshold field. Select the checkboxes next to each driver accessibility option you want to enable. Click the Save and Continue button. Select the checkbox next to each vehicle group you want to assign to the configuration profile. Click the Save and Continue button. Click Done to complete the configuration profile. Select the checkbox for a profile to make it the default configuration profile. You have completed the Create and Assign Configuration Profiles training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.